So I have here a copy of The Library by Andrew Lang that needs some repair to the spine. It's come apart and is not completely attached anymore. We can see some binder's waste back there, but what we're going to do is we're going to take some PVA glue and a paintbrush and just paint some glue onto the spine here and stick this back into place. So what I've done is just glued one section at a time and pressed it, and we'll just leave it sitting like this for a few minutes and that should hold. So there we have it, looking fairly presentable and good enough to shelve. And opening it up here, we're going to find that that's going to hold quite nicely. And back on the shelf it goes, next to Andrew Lang's Essays in Little.